underneath your knees if you're not comfortable, and just grip with your tummy muscles and your glutes. Roll your shoulders and take your hands forward, palms up. Brilliant. Bring the hands together and tuck your elbows into your ears, and then lift and let the hands just drop to your side. Let's do that again. Lift, hands together. Good technique. Excellent. So what are we trying to achieve? Well, to put it mildly, discomfort. A feeling of tightness, of toning in the back of your arms. But let's ignore that and think about all the things that we can cope with. So squeeze your bum, pull your tummy in, and keep the shoulders down. And if it's possible, and I know it's not for everybody, take the hands between the shoulder blades without lifting your ribs. So grip with your glutes, drop the rib cage, and see where the hands will go. Let's add movement. So move by pushing your bum back, long spine, palms face your back or your bum, and then climb up, squeeze the glutes, drop the ribs. That's what this is about. Feel that strength, that solidity in your core. And by core, I mean your abdominals and your glutes. Hold it still and let the arms do their thing. Palms face down. Lift up, climb up, squeeze the bum. Lift up, roll back, chest forward. One more of those. Good. And with that all in mind, everything that we've worked on there, climb back up onto your knees, palms up, and just bring one hand towards your shoulder, and then the other side. And then kind of pace it out. You choose the speed. Yeah, good. Groovy. Both hands forward and do the same thing. Tip forward, long spine, push your chest forward like you're flying. Hands up, add a little pace. Pace it. Good. So I'm really working to keep my elbows high, which I'm going to be honest, not easy. Hands forward, heart forward, eyes to the floor. 2 more. Squeeze your bum, tighten your tummy, pace it, breathe it, rock it. Hands to your bum, squeeze the shoulder blades, and one more. So know that what we're doing, we're squeezing the bum, we're tightening the tummy, we're keeping the elbows up, blah, 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 blah. And you're flying. So now we are safe to do it with hand weights. Start with the first move. So the first move, the hands were by our side. We just started with the bum and the tummy. Lift the hands and take the hands behind you. Well done. It might be a bit difficult with one weight, but let's see. So climb up, drop the hands behind. Good. See, that's what I admire the most. Your eye gaze. It has not dropped. Excellent. You've kept your eye gaze forward on your horizon, and that means your spine is staying long and you're accessing the tricep. Brilliant work. It's the same philosophy as we turn the palms down and look at the floor. You're still keeping your spine long. Squeeze the bum, triceps, look at the floor, back of arms. Keep that flow. Squeeze your bum. Good. So you're locking in glutes and abs, which means that your triceps work a little bit harder. It's more effective. One more like that. And add in just a few pulses. Let's say 5. Hands between your shoulder blades. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands above your bum. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Climb up. So this is where focus on your bum and tum. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pulse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Give me 2 more. Together. Squeeze your bum. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Make that transition. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One last time. Well done. Squeeze your bum. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And tip. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Stay on your knees if you can and just release your shoulders. Then bring the hands up, palms up, hands in line with shoulders. One hand to shoulder, other hand to shoulder. Now pace it out. 5, 4, 3. I'm not going all the way. No, 2. Just towards the shoulder. And then hands above your bum. So give me another 4 of those. Hands forward, pace it out. 5. Good. 4. Yeah, 3. Brilliant. 2. 1. And then scoop the hands back. Pull the shoulder blades away from your ears or pull the shoulders away from the ears. Climb on up. Pulse it out. 5. 4. 3. Good eye gaze. 2. 1. And sweep. Squeeze the shoulder blades. Come on, 2 more. Let's do it together. 5. Yes. 4. Keep the elbows up. 3. Breathe. 2. 1. And sweep it back. Give the shoulder blades a squeeze. Push your chest forward. Last time. 5. 4. 3. Nice and high. 2. Don't drop. Excellent. Extend. Roll. Oh, squeeze the shoulder blades. Put the hand weights down. Do your favourite stretch. Is it a shoulder roll? Is it a tricep stretch? Is it a shoulder stretch? Oh, felt a vertebrae go back into place. That's reassuring. And now we're going to release the knees. So come forward, hands and knees, and just massage your knees. Use the floor and circle. I love that therapy. And round the other way. So you're using your own body weight, massaging your knees. Some people will love it, some people will think it's just horrible. What you might like to do is lift your feet and massage your knees. Is that a step too far? Is that a knee too far? Lifting your toes puts more body weight through it, makes it feel a bit squishy. And round the other way. So we've loved our shoulders, we've loved our arms, we've loved our knees. Now let's love our hips. Push your bum back. Climb up onto your hands and knees. Push your bum back. Hands and knees. So, the right foot, clear some space. Take it out onto the side. Get your hand weights out the way, Adele. So your foot is in line with your knee. If the foot is behind, it's not good. Bring the foot in line with the knee. Hands in front. And work your bum towards your heel. And slowly climb up. And I say that as if it's really easy. Push. And climb. Your timing, your pace. See where you can go. The toes face forward. The toe is in line with the knee. And the foot is on the floor. Well done. Give yourself some recovery. And experiment, and it is an experiment, with the other foot. So the toes face forward. The foot is flat on the floor. You might find that it's tighter on this side than the other. So be patient with yourself. It is breathtakingly good, i.e. it stops me breathing as I concentrate on the muscles I'm stretching. Inner thigh, outer thigh, bum. Good. Just give me one more. And then lie on your back. Finally. Towel underneath your head. So we did something a bit weird last week. Caused lots of controversy. I took your water bottle and I asked you to put it out in line with your hand. just above you, so that your hand lines up with your shoulder. So many beautiful clients bring their hands up in line with their ears and they haven't got a clue. Don't matter how many times I tell them. So bring your hand in line with your shoulder and put your water bottle, something really noisy, as a marker. Elbows on the floor. So this is the radical new move. You're going to like it. Hands to shoulders, but elbows stay on the floor. That caused chaos. We're used to doing pec exercises, lifting, but this isn't. This is elbows on the floor. So it's graceful, it's slow, it's everything that we are. Raise one knee, push your back down, raise the second knee, release your back, pull in your tummy, good, and make sure your knees are slightly apart, don't let them collapse. Now let's allow one foot to lower and lift. Allow the other foot towards the floor and lift. And this exercise is about your deep abdominal. It's not your back. You're gripping with your tummy. Feel it in your tummy. Good. Let's give me a couple more. Maybe extend the leg a little bit further if you're looking for more challenge. One more. Great. And now hug. Recover. Release. Both hands on one shin. And stretch the other leg away. I always think that's a really good combination. Toe taps followed by one leg stretch. It just helps to release the tension across the front of the hip. Hands on shin. Make this all about you, your feet, your knees. Stretch your knees, stretch your thighs and your hips. If you're feeling comfortable, take your hands behind your head, elbows on the floor. And know that, again, this is an abdominal exercise. This is about your tummy. Pull your tummy muscles in. Good. Well done. Rest your head comfortably and keep your lower back neutral. Let's challenge ourselves by raising our head and shoulders and then lower. Breathe out, lift and lower. And as you lift your head, you can see down your leg. And it's the same alignment as always. Toes line up with knees, line up with hip. Toes, second and third, line up with knee, line up with hip. You ready to rotate? Shoulder. Good. Recover. Shoulder. Recover. 4 more. Shoulder. Love it. Shoulder. Judith's looking at me. What's she doing with her shoulder? Sorry, didn't finish the sentence. Bring your shoulder to your opposite knee. Sorry. Shoulder to knee. Give me one more because it's good. It's fantastic. It's all the muscles in the abdomen. It's the obliques, deep abdominal and six pack. It's a winner. Both knees to chest. Both legs extend. Again, this is about your tummy. When you extend your legs, I see so many clients doing this. Their little tummies are popping. You can see the hernia happening. Is that too graphic? Instead, keep your legs high, grip with your tummy. Add in the arms. And then maybe you can bring the legs lower. But if you're skimming the floor with both legs, it's a hernia waiting to happen, my darlings. Keep your legs high. Forget the ego, leave that at home. And think about pressing the belly in. I have very short legs and I cannot lower. You'd think that would be easier for me. No. If you want to work harder, raise the head. Bring the hands to the heels and lift your bum. That's effective. Lower the head, lift the head, hands to heels, lift the bum. 3 more. Lift. 2 more. Rhythm, pace, breath, health and happiness. Recover. Stretch, yawn. It's the grand finale where we put everything together. And it starts with hand weights and elbows on the floor. Open the arms below the water bottle. You saw that coming. Hands to shoulder. Open and close. I'm thinking not so much about my arms, but about my ribs. Working my ribs down. And once you've done that, raise one knee, next level. Push your back down, raise the second knee, third level. Release the back, grip with the tummy, and then add in a toe tap. And when I say tap, I don't mean it. Aim towards the floor. Use your breath. I find toe taps really challenging. I think, but I'm very open to your thoughts, that using the hand weights helps to distribute the load. So my abdominals, my deep abdominal, isn't working quite as hard because the hand weights are helping. They're distributing the challenge throughout the body. It's physics, isn't it? I don't know. One more. Each side. Love it. And then hug. And then the stretch. It all flows beautifully from one into the other. Stretching one leg, pointing the toe. It's almost like gentle, calm, serene vibe. And then you raise the head. Yeah. And lower the head if you want. I'm going to keep my head up. I want the challenge. I want to strengthen my neck. But you do you. You're going to drop your head in between. Not a problem. But everyone is stretching those legs. Now take the hands to the side and give me 5. Give me 4. Give me 3. Give me 2. And last one. Hug the knees. And extend the legs and arms. Oh my word, it's the last round. Sweep the hands to your shins or heels, lift your bum. Extend the arms and legs. Raise the head, hands to heels or to your shins and lift the bum. Sweep and lift. Come on, we can do 3 more. 3 to finish. 2 to finish. Good rhythm. And last one. Wow. Hand weights down. Body releases. Calm. Find a way to come up to take a seat, whether that's rocking or turning onto your side. And just take a moment to embrace how you feel. So all this term we've been talking about a word that we've taken into our week. And I've thought about this really deeply this week. We've had calm, we've had breath, we've had posture. And this week, breathe in, lift your arms, it's chocolate. Chocolate. Hands together and bring your thumbs down your body and bring that chocolate into your life.